Hello and welcome everyone to Code Game channel. I am teacher Victor. Today I will show you a free demo tutorial on how to use GameMaker app to draw a simple sprite. First, I will show you how to find and install GameMaker app onto your own computer or laptop. I'm going to use Google Chrome to do this. Now I type in search GameMaker 8.1 standard download, and when I click search, I find this website called Internet Archive GameMaker 8.1 Yo-Yo Games free download. So click on it. Now when you are inside the Internet Archive website, scroll down until you see this Windows executable. Yeah, click on it. And there will be two things or two links for you to click. Click on the first one called GameMaker Installer. So when you click on GameMaker Installer, in your downloads folder, it will show you your download progress. Yeah. So once you have finished, open up your GameMaker Installer, double click on it, and you should see license agreement. Read the license agreement, click on I agree, and then click on next. And this will be the destination folder where you want to save it. If you want to change it, you can click browse. If you don't want to change anything, click on install. Yeah. Once you have installed, you should see this something like this. Yeah. I'm going to try opening up my GameMaker app. So when you open GameMaker app, there will be a message from yoyogames.com. It's actually an ad. You don't need that. So click close. And then this green color window, you can also close it. And you can also close this one. Remember, do not click the bigger X here on top. It will close the entire GameMaker app. Yeah, just click on the smaller X at the bottom. There you go. All right, now this is the GameMaker 8.1. It's free. You don't need to pay anything. You can actually download it yourself onto your computer or laptop. Now, I'm going to show you how to draw a sprite. Yeah, can you see this red color icon here? Create a sprite. Click on it. So you can click it a few times to draw different sprites. So I'm going to click a few more times. So notice I have sprite 0, sprite 1, and sprite 2. So here are the windows. If you don't need the windows, you can close it. Close it. Okay, I'm going to draw on sprite 0. I'm going to rename it as wall. Yeah, WALL, wall. Click on edit sprite. And over here, you'll see a white color symbol here, a paper. Create a new sprite. Click on it. Width 32, height 32, that's the standard icon size. Click OK. Now, double click over here to zoom in. Now, this is the zoom in icon. Zoom in, make it go bigger, zoom out. Or you can click on this one, the center one, to show original size. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to click zoom in. On your right hand side here is the color palette. This is where you can choose the different colors. Yeah, I'm going to choose black for now. And I'm going to choose this rectangle. And I'm going to draw a black rectangle over here. Make sure it covers the entire canvas. Okay. If you did it wrongly, you can press undo. Remember, don't draw it small like this. You need to draw it big. Undo and draw it as big as the entire canvas. Yeah. Next, use the fill tool and choose whichever color that you wanted. Yeah. I wanted to design a brick wall. So I'm going to use red color. I'm going to use black. Draw lines here. Draw lines here. Draw lines here. And one more here. Okay. Next, I'm going to draw here, center. Here. Center here. Center. Center. Oops. Wrong. Let's try again. Center. Okay, there you go. So I've got my brick wall here. Now finally, click on File, click on Save as PNG file. You can save whichever location you like. Example, you can save it in Downloads folder or even desktop. Rename your file as Wall Sprite. Then click on Save. Okay, there you go. You have finished your first sprite. Click on the green color checkbox to close. Click on the green checkbox to close and click on OK. So notice we have the first sprite over here. You can keep on drawing more sprites over here. And remember to always save your file or save your sprites whenever you have finished drawing. Okay, hope you have an enjoyable time. And I will see you guys again next time. Please contact me at 017-629-2596 on WhatsApp to get to know more about the video tutorial course for level 1 junior and level 2 senior. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys again from Code Game Channel, signing out.